Fork and Photo, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Smoreo with white chocolate covered pretzels. Yes, Oreo white chocolate covered pretzels into a s'more. Come on, you know you want it, you know. Alright, so boom. Preheat your oven to broil with your 4 Oreos. Twist those things apart. Cream on one side, cookie on the other side. After you're done taking apart your Oreos, your white chocolate covered pretzel goes right into that cream. Place it right on in there. Don't break the cookie like I did, or the pretzel. Just press it in there. Make sure it's nice and snug. Now that all of your white chocolate covered pretzels are inside of the Oreo and the cream, get about 3 squares of graham crackers and just chop off a little bit from the sides or crumble them up. Whatever is easiest for you. You're just making a graham cracker crumb. Use about 1.5 to 2. I cut up 3, but you can just use 2 and it'll be fine. Now that you have your graham cracker crumb, you're going to take that and sprinkle it right on top of the Oreo, cream, and the pretzel. And do this on all 4 pieces of your Oreo. Cover it good, but don't go out of control. Using either a baking sheet or a cast iron skillet like I am using here, place your Oreo halves in the skillet or on the baking sheet. Then top with your chocolate. You can use about 2 pieces of Hershey's chocolate or whatever kind of chocolate you want to use, to be honest. Cookies and cream, Hershey's with almonds, do you, boo? Now it is time for the marshmallow. I'm using a s'more shaped marshmallow that's a square, but you can use the minis or the regular, whatever you have. But trust me when I say these s'more shapes are fire. Pop this into the broiler for about 30 seconds to a minute, and boom. I like to poke my marshmallow just to expose some of that ooey and gooiness, let it release and show itself. And then top it with the other half of your Oreo. Push it down to get that good squeeze of the marshmallow to surround the chocolate cookie. And guess what, baby? You are done. And don't wait too long. You want to eat these bad boys while they are warm and not going to take over and surround your whole mouth. So go ahead and get you one real good. Look at that deliciousness. Yes, 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 yes. Make sure that you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Fork and Photo. Follow me on Facebook at Fork and Photo. Tune in to my podcast, The Plate Debate. And make sure that whatever you do, baby, you eat good. Until next time, y'all.